A woman in her 30s was arrested on suspicion of assault after using tear gas spray on the Yamanote Line in Tokyo on October 20th. A male passenger reportedly had a verbal altercation with the woman after she pushed aside a standing passenger to sit in a priority seat on the train. The woman then sprayed what appeared to be tear gas. Two men, including the one who had the verbal altercation with the woman, suffered minor injuries. The Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department confiscated 2 items that appeared to be tear gas sprayers that the woman possessed, which she reportedly stated she carried for self-defense. The woman was later released after being deemed unable to withstand detention.